safer out here, or in here. Well, the dogs will have at least a little bit of area that they can go and do their thing. But holy cow, look at all that stuff. The official count for Antioch, I just saw on the Weather Channel, issued by the National Weather Service, is 20 inches. We're fourth highest snow in the Chicago area. Downers Grove was the top one with 23.1. I don't remember. Mendota was the second. O'Hare Field was the third. And Antioch is the fourth. So we got a lot of snow up here. So this is kind of cool. So I'm just going to go and let Dave do his thing. I'm freezing out here. And I'm going to just wait for this thing to be done there so I can let the dogs out. They can kind of relieve themselves properly. See you guys later.